What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today is the week 18 video for the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And today we got into a couple of options, and also we are back in the cannabis sector. Let's get into it. Before we get in the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance to get an Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, McDonald's, Ford, Energy Transfer, Snap, and many more. The best part about it, it's completely free. You don't pay a dime to buy or sell stocks. Options are also included. Please use that link in the description below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Okay, here we are on the homepage of the web platform of Robinhood. And as you can see, today we are down about 0.33%. $6, almost $7. We'll go ahead and jump over for the week. For the week, we're up $22.96 or a little over 1%. And for the month, we're up over 2.5%, $49.56. So right now, we're going to go ahead and jump over into the additions to the portfolio this week. The first addition to the portfolio is going to be ticker symbol AZN, AstraZeneca. We're actually not in the stock. We're in an option. We're going to go ahead and click on the option now. This is a 47.50 call expiring on the 15th of November. Now, the reason I got in this is I saw a buyer come in, I think it was about 11 o'clock today, and buy 690 plus contracts. If you know anything about options, one contract represents 100 shares. So they came in pretty big, and there wasn't really any open interest in this particular option. So I was like, let me do some research. The stock itself has been on an uptrend. They bought not at the bid, but not at the ask, somewhere in the middle. And basically I got in exactly where they got in. I saw it a little bit later than what they got in, but I got in close enough to get the same price. So hopefully this stock will move and this option price will go up and I'll cash it out at a certain point. I don't really know what percentage I'm looking to get out of this, but I'm just gonna watch it and see. On to the next one. The next addition to the portfolio is going to be Cronos Group, ticker symbol CRON. It's been probably a couple months since I've been in a marijuana stock. There's been a lot of craziness around Cronos Group lately. A few days ago, the options market was going crazy. Somebody came in and bought an enormous amount of contracts for this stock with no news coming out about it. Then as soon as the market closes, the stock shoots up to $11 plus. Anyway, we'll say the percentage was close to 40%. And since then, it's came all the way back down. It was kind of a mystery. It's like somebody was pumping the stock, but what made me want to get back into Cronos Group is certain analysts came out and said that they moved it to a buy, but they dropped the target price to, I believe, $14. So I'm cool with that. This will be one that I'm going to continue to add to because I believe it's headed higher. And there's a bunch of stuff circulating around about Cronos Group that nobody really knows. Somebody knows something, but the masses don't know. So I'm in Cronos Group. I'm going to continue to add to this marijuana stock. The first subtraction from the portfolio is going to be Luck and Coffee. We sold 4 shares of the actual stock, but we got into an option. So currently we have 11 shares of Luck and Coffee at an average cost of $19.18. So we're actually up in this. The stock made a drastic move today, and somebody came in and bought over 2,000 contracts of the $20 strike expiring 15 November. They did this late in the day. Like, I want to say today at like almost, we'll say over 1 o'clock. which usually most options activity is in the morning, but they came in and bought over 2,000 contracts at like 1 something today. I didn't get into this right when it happened, and I'm glad I didn't, because the stock, if you look here on the chart, the stock dropped drastically down to almost $19. It opened today close to 20. They came in at about, let's see, we'll say right on this little dip or right before that. Sometime right in there when it was sitting at 1970 something and bought 2,000 plus contracts for the $20 call expiring 15 November. And the stock went all the way down to about $19. But you can look in the aftermarket, it's back up to 1969. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this contract. I got in, I paid $70 for this contract. The people that are the person or the institution, whoever bought those 2,000 contracts, paid $1 for each contract. I got in at 70. And I think we're gonna see Monday, this contract is gonna be worth way more than $70. So, and I plan to cash that out, take the premium, and put it back into Luck and Coffee. Just wanna make some quick money, see how it works. And we're back on the home page. I'm just gonna run over the current positions. I'm not gonna dive too deep into the rest of the positions because not a lot has changed. NRZ, we subtracted 1 share. I wanted to put some of that money into that one, the option for AZN. Run didn't change. The stock is up. We still have 20 shares. Luck and Coffee, we already talked about. Vici, stock is up. We haven't touched it. We haven't added anything or subtracted anything from that position. AMD is the same. The stock has been moving. We'll go ahead and jump into this one real quick. We'll look at the week. Here's the week chart. We made it all the way up to 31.23. Took a dip. Looks like we're coming back up. 10 shares. I'm actually up almost 3% in this position. Let's go back to the home page. I think we got one more. The last one is going to be ticker symbol MO. This one has been on a consistent uptrend. I was down in this stock. I'm actually up in it like 1.5%. But you can see over the week, we'll look at the month. It was kind of consolidating here, but it's on an uptrend now. And I think this stuff with Juul is getting further and further in the rear view mirror, and they're focusing on IQOS and other things. I believe Altria is going to be a good dividend play. And most dividend stocks you'll see, they kind of hover at a certain price. Sometimes they dip, but they don't really gain. This one I believe is going to gain. So you're going to make money on the stock and they're going to pay you a dividend. And that's going to conclude this video. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the like button, smash that bell for future notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.